how much intensity you have while you are doing the action. How deep you are doing part and your mind is running. Somebody, talking to you or feeding you, but is going here and there. Sometimes when they feed to me, I go to picture. Take one person is there. So he is feeding me. But 10 more guests are there. So his attention is there also. Guests have also called. Some neighbors he had called. And to me also. So he is not able to give attention to me. Well, Swamiji, will you have this thing? What you? Okay. Okay, give. Bhai, what you will need? अब ना वहां चले गए. Here vegetable was required. I'm sitting there. Vegetable है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. I'm eating roti with chutney only. Listen, 1 minute. Please get that vegetable. So my happiness towards that person will not be too much because his quite divided intention is there. Or he's attending the phone at that time. Some people sit in my room and they start playing with their phone. When you have come in my room, then you should be for me and at least listen what I want. That time don't see mail, etc. And if you have some urgent thing is there, then you go. Some urgent call is there, then you can take it. Sometime it may be required, some call is urgently come. So this is how the fruits change a lot. And then that person says, I am doing part, but fruit is not coming. You are doing very distracted part. Vishwas is there or not. Intensity is less. Okay. Or you are doing wrong part also. ये भी हो जाता है. Some people are confidently doing wrong part. They don't know what is right or what is wrong. And with that also, fruit will be different. You don't know what, or supposing you had fought with anybody before part and that person is very upset, he's crying and you are doing part, so your fruit will be affected. There are 10 things that is around you. Therefore I said somebody's blessings is required, somebody's grace is required. Or you do part for only 4 days, after that you left it. Sundarkand is left. Halfway I went, after that I couldn't continue. Now, the fruit is less. Because your length of time was lesser, therefore fruit is also lesser. Therefore there is a big variation of the fruit. Some continue, as I told you, there are people, I asked them to do Ramayana part. Just read by, we did part for 216 times. Whole Ramayana. More than 216 times. I think still is doing it. It took many years. 200. Not one or two. A fruit will be very big. The fruit itself is there that he is freed from all job. He has no other problem. Whole time is in sadhana. Because that he must be wanting. I'm just giving some example is there. So don't think, or I have served somebody. My father, my mother. I served thinking that she is God or he is God. Day and night I have served for 5 years. I have seen such people. Their progress I have seen. And I have also seen, I went to somebody's house. 80-year-old, not 80, 85-year-old father was there. He went, they had separate kitchen. He went to the kitchen and he took his food. My food was this side, son's side. I said, can I help you? No. He'll manage. And that old person, finding difficult to bow down, to sit. Then he took the thali, shivering like that. Somehow he put glass inside the thali and you took. And here these young person were their son and daughter-in-law. Felt so bad. And now he is taking his thali, putting it back. And his mother, old mother, cooking somehow. I immediately felt that this person will be future. He will be in trouble. You won't believe, after 20 years I went to the same house. Those people had died. His sons left him. And same thali he was carrying. Scriptures are verified when you go out. It is verified. Immediately I could, yaad aa gayi humko sari baat. I said, see, this is there. And then they are saying, see, Swamiji, this is what I am deserving. My sons are not there with me. When they required, I did so much. Hum kya bole? Immediately everything started flashing in my mind. Same situation. I felt very sad to see that, but what can I do? I'm there for 1 hour. What can I do? Well, please tell me, what shall I do? I said, see, kya bole bhai? What? They're already elderly people. I said, how long your father was living? Well, he was 91, he passed. I had to ask sensitive question, personal questions. But next question was, how long he was separately having the kitchen and cooking? I didn't ask this question. It was too personal question. I had to embarrass him. इतना दिखता है. When I see politics, when I see in India how the people are caught, is Vijay Mallya, all Nirav Modi, they all tried to dodge the government, and now the British government is tightening its noose on them. Court, black, this lawyers, police. Within this birth, you can see you do bad actions and you see the result within this birth. At least some fruit you will start getting. Some fruit you will start getting in this birth only. So yatha karma is not something, and somebody is doing good actions. Yatha dharma silan ke din sukh sanjut jai. Aranyakand, one line comes. Those who are doing, at least they have relative quietness in their life. Because I am not doing anything wrong. I have not said anything. There is relative quietness in their life. Yatha karma. आप अच्छा कर्म करो, you do something for a long time. Remember, I'm repeating it. Your sankalp, your intention, what action you did, how long you did, what intensity was there, where you did. कुछ भी है. Some people do some good action, but other time they are not good action. Therefore, the effect of that good action is very less, because somebody is not happy with you. Especially close people who have done a lot. Especially mother, father, teacher, or grandfather. Somebody who has been a big contributory in your life. At least patch up the matter as fast as possible. Seek their blessings and finish the matter. Because your good actions will not give very good fruit. Because they are negative about you. Okay, don't take these things for granted. Every small thing counts here. Jap, puja, dhan, dakshina. I've seen somebody came here when this ashram was this new building was there. So we needed millions, not 1, 2 million. Millions we needed. I did not ask. Why should I ask? I have God with me. God will give. He said, I have earned the money. That person came. Well, I have earned the money. My hard-earned money is only for ashram and temples and for the work which for Gurudev wanted. This is the money. Not little money. 1 million around. This is the money. This is the check. Please don't take my name anywhere. I only want that I should have God's grace satsang in my life. That's the only thing what I want. अब ये है, action has been done, a fruit will come. For everybody's money is important for that. For everybody's running is important. अब see, this feeding scheme is there. So many people run around. They prepare. What they get, volunteers, what they get, nothing. When yagna happens, so many people run around to distribute flyer, this. What they get? When any yagna is there, somebody is running to put posters, somebody is running to, I don't know everything also. I don't know who has put how many posters, but God knows everything. Somebody is standing on the signal and giving flyers. I may not be knowing that he was standing in the sun or in the rain for 1 hour, 2 hours, but somebody is there. Somebody is serving the mother. Somebody is constantly sitting with the ailing father. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि nobody does good actions also. People do very, very good actions. Somebody is going to Tirth Yatra. 20 times Kailash Yatra some people have done. With good intentions, and therefore big fruits are there. People go to Devlok also. Yatha karm. So therefore, please be very, 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 very careful, because you have to get everything back. With you, my intentions are not okay. That is recorded now. हुआ गड़बड़ कुछ काम. With everybody, my intentions are very okay. I want you also to progress. है अच्छा, fruit आएगा. Okay. So, योनिम यथा कर्म यही यादृशम कर्म यह जन्मनि कृतम तद्वशेन इति एतत् तद्वशेन. Tadvashen means what? Control, that is governed by that, controlled by that. Yattad yatha karma yahi yadrisham. Chalaki nahi chलती है, cleverness doesn't work. Manipulation doesn't work. Diplomacy doesn't work in God's areas. Cunningness doesn't work. Here also doesn't work. Forget about God. Here also it doesn't work after a long time. After some time you understand that this person was only playing with me. I'm not serious about that. Yatha karma, yatha shrutam. Next word is yatha shrutam. An interesting thing. Bhagwan is so interesting. What he gives in luxury to somebody, he not even gives iota to other person also. ऐसा है. Somebody has joy of having nice 2 sons, and somebody is not having 1 child also. Somebody has very nice wife. Somebody's wife is a hell. Why you are after wife? Okay, husband कर देते हैं, उसमें क्या है? Somebody's husband is so sweet, chonu. And somebody, Shonu है मेरे, Shonu. Oh yeah. Somebody's husband is only beating after drinking. Some husbands are there, wives are very happy if they are not around. Only this person. ऐसा भाग्य है सबका, क्या करें? शरीर को ही देख लो. Every issue there is a food also, you see. Yatha karma. Be very careful, bhaiya, mere malik. Then yatha shrutam. Shrutam, Bhashyakar, let us see what he says. So he says yatha shrutam yadrisham cha vijnanam uparjitam. Here vijnanam is upasana. So, whichever person or object is obsessed. Upasana means here not necessarily upasana, notions, what he dwells upon, what is his understanding. What is understanding is there. Well, what? I did not understand. What is understanding? These areas you have to get clarity. Supposing you have understanding, satsang is very good in my life. I should have satsang. I should have lot of satsang. You have this notion, you started recently only. What? This notion. And your action is for a married life. Supposing your karmphal, because last birth you thought of husband, wife. And you are singing the Bollywood song, Tere Mere Beech Mein Kaisa Hai Ye Bandhan Anjaan. All the Rajesh Khanna hits were on the tip of your tongue. Shlok you never by heard it. Okay. ठीक है, ये सब गाना गाए हैं. मेरे सपनों की रानी जब आएगी. All these things you sung that song. है ना भाई, he was a romantic king, Rajesh Khanna. I think young people don't know him too much, but I think ask them. In a series, he had 20 hits from 68 to 72. Series. एक नाम तो वो हमारा सब है. वो सब गाना हम पहले गाते. I used to sing, I used to think a lot. I used to fantasize a lot. Such will be my wife, such will be my husband. This is called Shrutam. So your whatever good actions you do was now invested in the बोले सर. Now Prarabdha is searching now boy and girl in the cosmos. बोले किसको, who is the fitter, who is the fitting person. क्यों? अब this person already had this notion, he dwelled upon that, reveled upon that. अब महाराज, he has landed up in such satsang. Supposing अब here he discovered, क्या है यार, ये तो गड़बड़ बात है. I don't want that much life. Supposing, I'm just giving a very example. I have a lot of examples. I've got a lot of cases come around me. So now parents are after his marriage. Parents are not after his marriage. His Shrutam is after, now he's already, fruit has fructified. वो बन गया, उसका तैयार हो गया फ्रूट. उसका फ्रूट रेडी हो गया. कहीं से लड़का आ गया है. Some good boy has come, he will never get. He is working in that company. He is very good in look, manners, everything is very good. Come on, marry him. Why you are not marrying? What is the problem with you? What is the problem with you? No, but I want to hear satsang. Satsang you can still hear. And boy said, you can always go to satsang. Before marriage they say like that. So, well, you can go. What is the problem? I have never stopped you for anything. I am not stopping you. You can go whenever you want. No, listen. I want to go for camps. You can go. Will you meet Swamiji? Yes, I'll meet. What is the problem? I'll meet. Now this girl also melted. The amount of Shrutam which she has entertained in the last 2-3 months or 4 months, an amount of Shrutam that is in 40 years is bigger than this Shrutam. Therefore, that fruit will now come and this will be in the queue. बोले पीछे चलो. Already 40 years of prarabdha is there for you with this person. Getting my point? Well, earlier you were thinking I want a very rich life, luxurious life I wanted. Where I get up in the morning, just turn the curtain like that. Outside birds are there, ocean are there. Sea view you wanted. Yes. Nice cars. Now you got everything. Nice house you have. This boy is a rich boy. And another fortunate part is there. His mother is not there. So, 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 so father is there. Now, father, you live. Well, it's okay. So when you will get up in the morning, you just see the morning dawn. And there's a balcony there. Nice table is kept. You can go out in the morning, sip cup of tea for half an hour. And just see how the waves are coming. Shh. Then they're receding. Shh. Then another wave comes. Shh. And a small child is having a kite and is going around. That's nice. And you have. Servant is also there, maids are also there. अच्छा घर मिला है भाई, because actions are good. She used to come in every Vishnu Sahasranam. In the last birth also. She had worshipped Lord Vishnu very religiously. She didn't give any trouble to anybody. Very sweet tongue, she was always there. Anger was not there. Frustration was not there. She always served her mother and father. Lot of good actions was there. And therefore she got everything. But now her mind is tilted now. But still she misses. She thinks if we can have satsang on beach. Some satsang on beach. अब ये हो गया, अब क्या, वो फ्रूट बन गया आपका. अब श्रुतम is like that. Okay, getting my point. Very strong things are there. These are not Priyavrat. In Bhagavad he comes, fifth canto. So dispassionate he was. He said, I just don't want to marry. But why? People said, no, this marriage, I will go into quite a whirlpool. So I think who came? Manu Bhagwan came. He didn't listen to his father. You know who came ultimately? Brahmaji came. He said, Priyavrat, you have to marry. This is what is in your prarabdha this day. And who says in married life also you can grow spiritually? It's not that you cannot grow. He got married. After many years he forgot everything. Then he was reminded, because sadhana is there, so your good samskar keep on coming also. So Shrutam has a very big role to play. Same action you do with the different kind of understanding. No, my understanding is that I want a meditative life. No popularity. No, I want a meditative life. I want to have a quiet place. Because of this Shrutam, your situation will become at one time that you will be in a quieter place, just fit for meditation. No, I want to do a lot of social work. I want to feed everybody. Feed everybody. Every day I want to feed 200, 500 people. Definitely you will get such like that. Ab you are here. Don't think it is just like that it happened. You must have thought that I have to hear some Upanishads, some Gita. At some point of time you have thought. And therefore you landed up here. But depending on how much satkarm you have done, opportunity will be as per that amount of conducive, happy, deep satsang that you will get, and the company of teacher you will get, is dependent on how much good actions you have done. The day it will be exhausted, you will be separated. And if your account is too big, then Oh, yes, everything is microscopically calculated. And you have no right to get something more than what you have in your bank. Like money, bank person won't get. If you go to the cashier and your amount is over and you have only 500 rands and you ask for 2000, what is it? What will it show? Huh? Insufficient balance. You can't force, not even 1 rand. Forget about 1 rand. I have to pay. Nothing doing. It won't give 1 rand also more. यथा कर्म यथा श्रुतम. अच्छा. You wanted to go out now? I wanted to travel a lot. Okay. On your good situation, good karma has now made you travel all around. Around the world you will go. One day Egypt, other day Turkey. Third day you will go to, what is it called? Italy. There you got the breakfast idli. Then next day you will go to, what is it called? California. You will have, सोचा है आपने, you got such a husband, wife, children all the time. Say, let us go out, let us go out, let us go out, let us eat out, let us go out, let us go to that restaurant, let us go to that company around you, people's thought around you has been given by you. I have not given that thought. My dear, what was your thought once upon a time? It is what was your wish once upon a time. To fulfill that wish, somebody is coming from outside. Those thoughts are in that person. Now your wish has changed. What can I do now? Now your wish has changed, but you have entertained that wish for a long, long time. That is Shrutam aspect I am explaining about. Karma is different aspect, Shrutam is different aspect. Therefore, Shrutam verb, Bhashikar writes, Vijnanam uparjitam tad anurupam eva shariram pratibhadyante ityartha. Notion, upasana, where he dwells upon. Okay, like Jad Bharat was there. He had the attachment with the deer. He dwelled upon deer so much. That was Vingyanam. He is very good, he is very good, he is very good. Ab wahi ho gaya unka. He became deer only. You didn't do any karma to become deer. The Pashu Yoni is result of bad karma. You can't say, he has become a dog, he has done very good action to become dog. Among dogs, he may be lucky dog. Among dog, cat also some are lucky and some are unlucky. Some are street dogs, some are expensive Pomeranian dogs, some are German Shepherd, some are Buru. America's president dog is there. They get lot of love. Every dog also doesn't get love and good food. सही बात है भाई. Every dog, some dog are street dog, they hardly get any food, and some are nice. The master goes and thinks what to get for my dog. They select in the dog. There is a shop also, pet shop. They get dog food, cat food. I don't know. They get the, what is it called, machli food. That fish food also they get. इनका भी भाग्य है अपना अपना. So animal birth is not considered good birth. That means bad actions a person, Jeev, must have done to get this body. And here, this, because of the thinking constantly, he went to that deer, he became deer. Not because of his bad actions. His actions were very good. But for few years of his life, he got so intensely involved with that deer that he became deer. And that time exhausted, again he got back the original sadhana body. He became great Jnani later on. I hope you are getting my point. These are very, very, very tricky matters, and be very careful in life. If somebody is thinking about a woman, some man is there. This comes in Bhagavad. This is called upasana, dwelling. He will become a woman now, like Puranjan. Puranjan became a woman. Some woman is thinking about a man constantly. She'll become a man now. It depends how intensely she is thinking. So all her punya will be converging to give the fruit in this direction. You will take him here. Puranjan was attached to his wife. Puranjani. So attached that she used to get up, he used to get up. She used to sit down. But he had not done bad actions. Puranjan, he didn't do any prohibited action. You know what was the result? He became a woman, but queen. Not ordinary woman. He became a queen, Vaidarbhadesh, and got a very good husband. Why? Actions were good. But Shrutam was like that. So two people doing same good action depends where he dwells upon. If somebody dwells upon his enemy only and that bad action also, he will get a yoni where that anger can be expressed very easily. Here you can't express your anger too much. Everybody who expresses anger, people will throw me out. So some animals are very angry. Tiger is there, lion is there, snake is there. That yoni, I have to exhaust that bhav. Animal yoni is for exhaustion of a certain bhav, that pressure should go away. Or some animals are more calmy than others. Everything is very, very serious here. We take life very, very lightly on this. What we think we take lightly, what we do we take lightly, what intention I keep for this person I am taking. Everything is a very casual matter for us, you know. Only somebody praises, I have become very serious. Somebody insults, I become very serious. Somebody cut me, I become very serious. But what I think, what I identify with, what I dwell upon, what actions I do, I just do anything. Cutter butter kuch bhi kar rahe ho. And therefore this is a warning mantra. Yoni manne prapadyante. And therefore some Guru Bhakt is there. He's thinking about Guru. He will definitely become a saint. Why? Because he's thinking a lot about the qualities of his Guru. He'll definitely become a saint. He's thinking about the quality. Ananta samsara samudra tara. You must be thinking, why this? So that you can revel on your Guru's nature, so that you can, if at all there is another birth, at least you have a very saintly environment to pursue your sadhana. And some enter very early age, some enter late age, some are spiritual prodigy. सब कुछ इतना calculated है. I have a lot to talk about this. When any shlok comes, there is so many topics and so many gradation on that. So that we can become more steadfast. बोले अब कितना जन्म मिल गया इसको. He is born in a butcher family. He is born in a king's family. He is born in a scientist family. He is born in an actor's family. He born in an actor family, but his film is flop. Father was a super hit hero. Son is not a super hit hero. क्या गलती क्या हो गई उससे? किससे? जो सुपर हिट नहीं हो पाया. Although he's a good actor. Shrutam is there. Yatha Karm was missing. So opportunity didn't get that much. वो डायरेक्टर नहीं मिला, वो मिला, वो स्टोरी नहीं मिली. 10 things are there in a film. वो गाने वाला नहीं मिला to make him a super hit star. So much combinations work. Ticklish area, very very ticklish area of action and situations. Okay, we'll see more next class time.